Under the moon, voices that move cry. A shadow moves with a heavy sigh. Her hands trace prayers in the air. A longing heart lost in despair. Oh, desert winds carry my plea. Let the stars hear and answer me. In the silence where the soul is bare, I find my love though you're not there. A single note from the violin weeps through the dunes where the sorrow sleeps. Every grain of sand holds a tear. Every breeze whispers you're near. Oh, desert winds carry my plea. Let the stars hear and answer me. In the silence where the soul is bare, I find my love though you're not there. The earth hums with the truth untold. The sky bleeds with hues of gold. I reach for the unseen divine, lost in a love that was never mine. Oh, desert winds carry my plea. Let the stars hear and answer me. In the silence where the soul is bare, I find my love though you're not there. A single note from the violin weeps through the dunes where the sorrow sleeps. Every grain of sand holds a tear. Every breeze whispers you're near.